Hey y'all, Chuck here, Paige, Soy Mafia. Hey, I just want to give you guys an update on what's going on in the town with us.
You're my heartbeat, my silent drum. Ride a skid, give me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free, like a bird in the sky. When he opens his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum. That skid, give me till I'm numb.
Today is Saturday, our walking street market, and tomorrow is Sunday fun day. We're just discussing on what we're gonna do for, I was gonna make a Thanksgiving turkey, but the deal fell through, soไม่มีไก่งัว Anyway,
Turkey still walking right now.
Okay. Anyway, we're gonna just I'm gonna make something for them tomorrow, Phalang style, maybe soup, chicken soup or something like that.
Potato soup.
Yeah.
I like potato.
So let's go take a quick walk and see what's in the market. Yeah, I'm very bored. I can't do anything. I can't exercise. I can't ride my bike. I can't drink beer. Swadee krap. I can't do anything. I don't know. I gotta wear a stupid mask for a month, but I'm not wearing it right now. Okay.
Oh, she know.
Huh? Until Tuesday, we got to go back to Khon Kaen to do a checkup, and it's just going to be me and Paige. This time we're going to the market. Paige put her big fish in here somewhere.
Yeah.
It's my truck. I keep my truck here. Magix, the school teacher, that's her house. Okay, let's walk. Swadee krap. I hear little Phalangs.
Yeah, they want cookie.
Every time I come by here, these little girls want cookies. They speak perfect English because their daddy is from England. Their mommy's Thai. But they can actually speak 3 languages. How are you?
You got a camera on me?
No. It's a lollipop.
Look,
Lex, come
she
here.
said her dad's friend gonna come visiting. Are you happy? She said,
From England.
yes.
From
Why?
England. We gotta
Gonna
get
get a present.
A present?
Another present.
What kind of present?
I don't know. I don't know.
I don't know.
Ah.
Okay.
Hi, mister.
Phalang baby. Phalang Leo.
Hello. You're a movie star, son. You're a movie star.
The best looking kid on the block.
Hello, Leo.
Poles. Yeah, don't worry about that. That's not dangerous at all.
I love you.
Oh. Just don't, hey girls, don't touch that. Okay, bye-bye Leo. Bye-bye. See you later.
Bye-bye.
We gotta walk before it gets dark. We'll come back.
Whatever you do, don't trip off
Yeah.
while you're doing that.
Yeah, a little clumsy. Okay ครับ เดี๋ยวครับมาครับ You want an animal? So this little market's here all the time, every day, 7 days a week. But the walking street really hasn't really kicked off. Hopefully they can keep it going. Let's go take a quick walk inside the temple before it gets dark, and then go try to get some dinner. Market food.
อีกประการหนึ่งข้าพเจ้าทั้งหลายขออุทิศส่วนบุญส่วนกุศลที่ได้กระทำในวันนี้และในขณะนี้ไปถึงผู้มีพระคุณปิยชนทั้งหลายบางพระองค์
You want some Hulk Sit Bot shoes? ไก่ทอด
วันกับไก่ทอด
ไก่ทอด
เอาไหม
เอา
ไม่เอา
เอาปีกไก่
ว่าไก่ไก่ก่อน
แล้วก็หมู
ไก่
อ๋อไก่
พี่บอก
ซีครับโชคดีนะครับ I got chicken. Gonna get run over.
ผัดผักรวมมิตรค่ะพะโล้พะแนงลาบกระตองลาบเป็ดลาบหมูลาบกระตองซุปดิบจ้า
ของหวานของหวานของหวานข้าวจีสวัสดีครับหมูปิ้งไส้กรอกโดนัท Well, guys, that's it. I am still under the weather. I hope you come with us tomorrow. I'm sure I'll feel perfect tomorrow, right? Yeah. Tomorrow, Sunday fun day. Gonna go to the market, get some stuff to cook for Sunday. Gonna be fun. Of course, maybe I'll be the bartender. Anyway, thanks a lot for all the awesome comments. I got a whole bunch of new wonderful subscribers. Please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video. Bye.